Hi, I'm Craig Kissinger, Director of Human Resources for National Tube Supply. I'm here at Morrison today to talk about a workforce partnership between manufacturers in the Calumet area coming together with similar problems, both from a workforce standpoint and from just a general business standpoint. So this organization bridges those gaps, bringing partners together from both manufacturers and partners in the community so that we can share resources to get business done. Where I see us going in the future is expanding this program and utilizing our individual networks for the greater good and sharing our possibilities in the community and with other manufacturers in our area that may not be part of the group today. There's a great opportunity for us to leverage our individual talents as organizations for the entire manufacturing sector in this area. Reaching out to the community and the people that maybe we're partnering with individually has one impact, but when we go together as a large consortium of maybe 40 manufacturers, 50 manufacturers, 100 manufacturers, well, that's going to get that much more notice as we go out to gain resources, both from a business standpoint, maybe it's supply chain management, all the way to workforce development.